Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today I'm going to do a couple of tiles, or maybe one. I'll do one for you, and I'm going to make it with black background because I just have enough for one. I have to make up more, but I'll just do this one for this video. And this paint is Artist Loft Floetrol mixed just with floetrol, regular floetrol, not Australian. So I've got some pretty colors I want to use up. So these are mixed with floetrol also, and medium gloss varnish, medium and varnish gloss. So I made up a pouring medium of the floetrol and the gloss varnish, so it's 7 parts floetrol to 3 parts of the medium and varnish. All right, so let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna just do, it's just gonna be a little bloom. That's turquoise. That's Cobalt Teal by THUR. And this is Magnesium Blue by Amsterdam. And then I have THUR metallic. It's called Champagne Gold. Oh, that's probably too much paint for this little tile. I'm using black cell activator. I'll use my little mini blower. Oh, it ran right off. I just thought the blues with this gold it looks so pretty. I could do the same with white. Maybe I'll try that. I'll do 2 for you. I'll let this settle in the middle. All right, I'm going to spin it now. Let's see. Just tilting it back this way a little bit. It's not moving much. One more spin. Whoops. Okay. I think that's probably good. I'll be right back. Okay, there it is. So now I'm going to do the same colors on a white background. Okay? Let's put that there. I better wipe my hands. I'm going to put a new towel. This time I'm using white house paint. The same colors. Turquoise on the bottom. Where's my blue gone? Oh, here it is. Magnesium blue. Champagne gold. Black cell activator. Oh, that's not it. I almost used the wrong one. Let this develop. A little bit of white coming through. And we'll see the difference with the different backgrounds. Didn't care for that very much, so I'm going to go over it. All right. Black cell activator. Let's try this again. Well, that's better. Still got white, but it's better. but it's not bad. It's kind of cool, actually. Should be good enough. All right, I'll give it a pass. Thanks for watching. Hold it up for you. There you go. Have a great day, everybody, and come back to Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my blooms that I did, one on black and one on white, same colors. They really came out pretty. I like that. I'm liking this new gold, champagne colored. I'm gonna resin these and they'll really look nice. That's with the mixture. It's not bloom paint. Anyway, there you go. Dried great. Have a good day. Bye.